So, tikman natin guys yung ating ice candy ginawa. Dahil nga, magdamag at maghapon na ang aking ginawang ice candy. At yung kanyang yellow is creamy. Delicious. Creamy siya guys. At nababagay. Gawin nyo to guys. Nababagay sa mainit na panahon. Delicious. Nalalasahan mo yung corn. Yung kanyang ice or yellow is creamy. I mean, smooth. Perfect para sa mainit na panahon. Gawin nyo to guys. Ang dami ang. Thank you for watching. Delicious. Perfect for hot weather. Ciao.